How to transfer money from Webmoney to Binance. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to convert Webmoney to crypto on an exchange. We can use the built-in exchange service within Webmoney Keeper, and to do so, just find the exchange option. Select the Webmoney purse containing your fund. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert, for an example, Bitcoin. Set the amount and confirm the exchange rate. Once confirmed, now search for your Binance. If you do not have an account yet, make sure to create one. Find an offer selling the cryptocurrency that you want with a payment method accepting Webmoney. Contact the seller and agree on terms to initiate the trade. Send the agreed upon amount from your Webmoney purse to your Binance. Once confirmed, the seller will release the cryptocurrency through your Binance wallet account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.